Or July 26. Been working on the Fairlane. Patched up a lot of that fucking Swiss cheese that was in there. A lot of small holes. It looks sloppy now, but I got it all POR'd and it's pretty solid. And replaced one of the plugs. I didn't have a plug for the other part, so. But biggest pain in the ass I'm waiting on is the stupid frame extension. It's been back ordered for like 3 weeks. It's been actually a week since I ordered it, so I still probably have at least another week or two, but I figured I'd screw around today and start tearing apart this freaking mess suspension. I've had the parts for it for a while, but all these damn bushings and stuff are shot, and this freaking outer tie rod end's full of water and rust, and just end up ordering the new adjusting sleeve and inner tie rod end. The freaking inner tie rod ends are like $100 for this, but this damn thing's shot, and since I'm already tearing crap apart, I might as well order that now, and thing's gonna be sitting here another couple weeks before I can do too much work to it. But I did order springs for it. I have shocks already and everything else I need for the suspension. Damn thing's gonna be like brand new by the time I get done screwing around with it. But it's the way it is when you buy an old car and it's got all the original stuff on it.